actually my own grandfather, Nana Saria Hini, he crowned me as the Sumpahima, which, if my friends at home are watching, is the Queen of Service. And that was something that came to a complete surprise to me. But my parents, my dad and my mom, they have set such good examples for what a leader should be. There's never been a time that they came back to Ghana empty-handed. Or even when we're out in the U.S., there's always, we're sending barrels or money or whatever it is. And so when I came here, my passion is education and science, technology, engineering, and math. And so what I want to do is help the educational system in any way that I can. My whole long run is to put computer labs in one of the schools that I would adopt. However, it is a work in progress. And so just starting from making sure they have the necessary supplies needed, the pencils, the papers, desk, and even some fans that they can put in the rooms to make the life of the students a little more easier. And also for the young women, because those are who I really want to advocate for, putting in sanitary pads in the bathroom that they have access to, that is not too expensive, because that's a necessity that every young woman needs. So the projects will not stop until I see more and more progress, and that might be even a life mission, which I'm very devoted to.
Right. I saw your pictures going viral, being in Menchia.
Oh, yes.
What came to your mind to say you want to present this crown to the Otunfo?
Yes.
To the second?
Yes.
What came to your mind?
So my dad and also my own grandpa, Nana Saria Hini, he really made those arrangements for me. My dad always played his videos around the house. King Otumfuo is his videos, and I also know a little bit more about him. He has an educational fund that I am so fond about. When I went to the palace, actually, he was showing us these kids that he brought from Prempeh College, a group of men that he brought to Chicago in the United States of America so that they can compete in a robotics club. And to me, that was just so... I was really touched by that, because that is what we need here in Ghana, the opportunity to do things great, and they even place. And so it was a really great experience. I was able to touch his hand. I never even wanted to wash my hand ever again. And seriously, yeah, he touched my hand. I even wanted to frame a picture, but I presented the crown to him, and he really was in awe. And so I was very thankful to him.
Have you dreamt of your father having been to that?
Yeah, it's a great honor that I didn't even know that I would have the possibility to do. But God just works in such mysterious ways, because like I told you, this was something that I just started as a hobby. But now I'm able to use this platform to really make a difference in young women's life, young men's life, educational lives. And because of that, and because of my grandfather, my dad, my family, they really presented me with that amazing honor, and that's a day I will never ever forget.